Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we will look at how to install Microsoft Office on Windows 10 or 11. I will be demonstrating the process on Windows 11, but the steps are the same for Windows 10. Without further delay, let's begin. Open your web browser and navigate to config.office.com, press enter. You will be directed to the Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. Scroll down and select the option to create a new configuration, as shown on the screen. You will then be redirected to the Deployment Settings page. Proceed by selecting the 64-bit architecture version. Under the Office Suite section, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024, Volume License. If you are viewing this at a later date and a newer version is available, please select the latest version instead. Scroll down to the Application Selection area. Here, you can choose the specific Office applications you require. In my case, I only need PowerPoint and Excel, so I have selected those two and deselect the remaining applications. Please select whichever applications best suit your needs. After that, set your primary language to English. After selecting your language, click the Export button as shown on the screen. In the default file format settings, please select Office Open XML formats. Click OK, then accept the terms and conditions in the license agreement. Then, select Export to finalize the configuration. Once your configuration.xml file has been downloaded, open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Select the first official Microsoft link and download the Office Deployment Tool, as demonstrated in the video. Open File Explorer and navigate to the directory where both your Office Deployment Tool and configuration.xml files are located. Run the Office Deployment Tool executable from this location. Once you run the tool, you will be prompted to accept the license agreement. Accept the terms to continue. You will then be asked to select a destination folder for the extracted files. Once the extraction is complete, you will see two main files: Configuration, Office 365, x64 and Setup. You can disregard the Configuration, Office 365, x64 file. Create a new, empty folder named Office. Then, move both the Setup file and your configuration.xml file into this newly created folder. For convenience, relocate the entire Office folder to the root of your C drive, as demonstrated in the video. After moving the folder, copy the full file path of the Office directory. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Once the terminal is open, use the cd command followed by the path to your Office folder on the C drive to change the directory, for example, cd Office. After navigating to the directory, enter the following command. Ensure you enter the exact file name of your XML configuration file. Using an incorrect name will result in an error. Once you have entered the command, press enter. The installation process will now begin. Please be patient, as this process can take a considerable amount of time to complete. There you go. Your Office installation is now complete and ready to use. You may open your Office applications and begin working. When you launch an application for the first time, please accept the license agreement and proceed with the default settings, as demonstrated in this video. That concludes the process for installing Microsoft Office. Please be aware that this method provides temporary access. The software will eventually require a valid product license for continued use. If you possess a genuine product key, you may activate the software when prompted. For those seeking alternative solutions, please refer to the video linked in the description for further guidance. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant day.